Stay tuned till the end. Om, the sound of the universe. Om, the immortal mantra of the very existence. Om, a mantra that is known worldwide as the symbol of spirituality. Om, the significance and the root of Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism. All of us know the scientific significance of chanting Om, meditating on Om, writing Om several times and believing in the power and the prayer of Om. But can we change the frequency of our mind and body and energize ourselves by writing Om on our forehead? Welcome, my dear friends, on a special spiritual technique that can be a part of your life and that can create a significant impact on your personal life. It's time that we all implement a little bit of a spiritual practice in our life. There's a very powerful teaching that was shared by my Guru, Shri Siddeshwar Brahmrishi Gurudev, 15 years back. And this teaching has protected my life, and I feel so secure in this universe. It's a very simple teaching of writing a symbol on your forehead of whatever is your belief system. It can be of any religious symbol that you believe in, coming from Islam to Christianity to Jainism to Buddhism to Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism. The simple symbol that we all believe, which has a universal force and the power of this world and the sound of the universe, is this powerful symbol called as Om. Om. O-M. This symbol is so powerful, and just practicing this little spiritual technique in my life, and so many people around this world who believe and practice this technique have seen a remarkable difference in their life even during these tough times. This technique can be practiced any time of the day. The technique is essentially to be practiced the minute you wake up in the morning, when you step out of the door from your home, your office area, and when you sleep at bedtime. There are so many people in this world who have slept and haven't woken up, and there are so many people who have left their homes and haven't returned back, who wake up in the morning and after a moment, in fraction of seconds, and life changes. So my dear friend, practicing this simple technique at any given point of time in your life will benefit you in many ways. All age groups can practice Om. You can do this right from the young children at home to all the elders, special need people, to anybody, privileged, underprivileged. It is a technique which is blessed for all. My dear friends, what is the significance of writing Om on your forehead, and how do you write Om on your forehead? It's simple. I have a cell phone and my battery needs to get charged every single day. So what do? I take the plug it in, and I just put the phone on charge and the phone charges. It's the same way that we need to learn to recharge our life. Like a cell phone we charge, we need to recharge our life every single day. So what do? You take the index finger and you manifest the symbol of Om on your forehead, or O-M. You write Om. The symbol opens towards your heart, or you write O-M. Om. There was a session that I had just taken, and there was a question that came: what is the significance of doing this? The significance of doing this symbol on your forehead is first, we are writing it with the index finger. This finger's nerve is directly connected to the brain. The master gland of our hormones, the entire gland lies in the center, and that is the pituitary gland. So when we touch this gland gets energy and it becomes more powerful. The second reason that we write Om on our forehead is it will keep us very positive throughout our day. The third thing is, if we have any emotions, that is anger, hatredness, jealousy, not understanding, feeling depressed, irritable, anxiety, insomnia, any kind of a problem that we are facing, once you start writing Om on your forehead, you will see and experience it yourself. You will feel it yourself that your emotion patterns are changing. The fourth and the most important thing, writing Om on your forehead every day will help you make the right decisions at the right time. You will be able to take right decisions. You might be highly qualified, but decisions are some things we all make in our own life with our own choices. Om will help you and support you in taking the right decisions. What it does to the brain when you write Om every day, it generates and energizes you with new cells. The entire sound of this universe is Om. So imagine, even science has proved, scientifically equipments have proved, research has been done towards many countries in the world, that this is the most powerful sound energy that we have. So my dear friends, it's time now that a little practice when you go to plug on your cell phone to charge, learn to charge your life and energize your life. Writing Om on your forehead will improve a lot of things in your life, and you will feel absolutely blessed and privileged. This symbol is very powerful universally, but you are not restricted to do only this symbol. It is your choice of the belief system you believe in, that you can choose the symbol of your practice and you can manifest that on your forehead. It is up to you to choose the symbol of your choice. It can be the symbol of any practice you believe and follow in this world. Implement this technique with the power of believing in what you are doing first. Then this technique will be very helpful, very healing, and very protective for you. Believe in what you are doing with full faith. During this tough time, Om will protect you and shield you. So every time you step out of your home, please individually write this to yourself and please share this with everybody around. A simple technique can make a big difference.